Welcome. In this video we are going to see how you can set up Meshcentral on your machine. So Meshcentral is an open source management site for a small environment. A small environment means a few hundred machines, and it is lightweight, and you have the option to even install it on a Raspberry Pi or something similar as well. I am installing Chrome on the Windows machine because Internet Explorer is the default, and this is a 2019 server. So now what we would like to do after the installation is complete is to visit the Meshcentral site. So meshcentral.com, and once we are here, we can go to the downloads menu, download the installer, execute it, and install it. So now I have another Windows machine which is going to be used for demonstration, and what I will do is to log in, and after login, in the search bar, if I type enable remote desktop, I have to tick this box. Now RDP is going to be available to connect to this machine. So Meshcentral is basically using Node.js to run, and after the Node.js is installed, Meshcentral will be installed as well, and basically we can then go ahead and configure and set up or add our machines. We have a small registration process which will take literally a few seconds, and after that we should be able to log in to that machine. Alright, so this machine has 4 virtual cores, 8 gigs of RAM, so it's not that big of a machine, and the Windows 2022 is just basically for demonstration's sake. Alright, so now we are at the optional modules installation, and then it is going to install the service, and once the service is installed, we should be able to visit the website. Alright, now we are at the certificates, and we can click here, go to the Google Chrome, and proceed. So let's create an account. And here we have the My Devices, My Account, My Events, My Files. So I could just browse these. I have the option to manage users because I am an administrator, and if I go here I can create a group, and I can say that this is a home group, local virtual machines. Okay, and I can add the device. So Windows 2022 192.168.56.6, if I am correct, and if we click on here, we should be able to go to the web RDP, and after adding the credentials, I should be able to log in, and now we are at the Windows 2022 machine. So this is how easy it is to basically add any type of new Windows machine, and after that you have the option to basically manage these devices. You can add descriptions, device notifications, tags. You can create notes, log events, and whatnot. So technically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.